republic for which it stands, one nation under God.
There's no greater investment than the investment we make into the lives of children. And we're having a wonderful open house, and we want you to be a part of it. Come and find out what's going on. See the school facility. Talk to the professors and teachers. Let people know of your interest and ask the questions you've always wanted to ask about a private Christian education. Now for 50 years, it's been changing the lives and being used of God to change the lives of homes and families and children.
I was called to preach, and I knew what God wanted with my life, so I decided it'd be a good idea to come to a Christian school where I could get more of a Christian-based education around more Christian kids, better influences in my life.
It's a drop-in open house. Come by, check out the classrooms, meet the teachers. We'll have an opportunity for you to view the curriculum. It's a great time for you to meet other parents who have chosen to enroll their child in our school. We're excited about what the Lord's doing here and the students the Lord has brought us and our faculty, and we'd love for you to come and see if Christian education is something that would benefit your family.
Holy Bible book divine.
Here at Temple, we are interested in teaching children the truths from the Word of God that will help them build lasting character, integrity, and honesty. In a world of upheaval and uncertainty, we rely on the steadfastness of the Word of God to help us educate our children.
Not only did it give me the quality education required for me to be able to go to Crown and get my education degree so that I could come back and teach these students and hopefully influence them for the Lord, just like my teachers influenced me.
This year has brought about so many changes, and we all are very familiar with doing the online schooling, and I'm so thankful that we had a school that was able to come together and to do that. But I can't help but be even more thankful that this year we have been able to be in the classroom for the entire year. God has blessed this school so much, and He has been so gracious to us. And I love being able to be in the classroom every day. I can see the benefit of having the kids interacting with each other and with the other staff members. Being in music classes together and not trying to do that over the computer is much easier. And just having that interaction with one another, I think that in a time where the world has become very different from what we're used to, and there's been so much uncertainty, being able to be here in the classroom where we've been able to show them that God is our consistency and that the Bible is our consistency, and being able to continue those things together has been such a blessing to my heart. Being able to watch them grow together and watch them in person has been a tremendous blessing. And I'm so thankful for Temple Academy and for our staff that they have worked so hard to make this year possible.
My school is I like my teacher and all my friends, and I'm glad that I don't get to do an online school.
Open House is a wonderful opportunity for you to see the difference that Temple could make in the life of your child.
We would love to see you at Temple.